So last night was burger night. I made an exact replica of the double Western bacon burger, and it was delicious. But we're not here to talk about burgers. We're here to talk about the package that I left here, covered in blood, in the sink. And it's not only in the bag, but it also got around the sink. And the night before I left some chicken blood on it as well. To me, they cancel each other out. I am fine with it, but my family, not so much. So I am going to actually clean up this sink using Dawn Powerwash. It's the first time I'm using it, so let's see how it goes. So I really like the way it's coming out of the bottle, kind of like a real powerful spray there, and it comes in a nice little easy to handle bottle. And I'm actually going to hit this little stopper. Everything around here is just covered in blood. And get my sponge wet, vigorously clean all the spots. I mean, it was so bad that I'm almost embarrassed to show you the before pictures. I took a little bit out of the garbage disposal and threw the heavy items away, pieces of food and whatnot, ran that. But yeah, this is really sudsing up really good. I'm going to hit this stopper here, clean it real well, and I'm going to make sure I get all of the hardware as well. So this is relatively a new product. This is my first time trying it. And yeah, just 1 or 2 squirts and it's really coming out clean. I can even see the cleanliness underneath all these suds. Let's see how that comes out. Yeah, that's about as shiny as I've seen it in quite a while. How about that? Get this stopper, get the second stopper. I also had a chance to use it on the oven. Give you a look at it there. That is nice and clean. It hasn't been that clean in quite a while. So here's the results. They speak for themselves. Everything looks clean, very shiny and clean, and has a nice fresh scent. This little bottle, I was amazed that it only took a couple of pumps to clean this whole area. So this little bottle is going to last you quite a while. And as you can see, I even used it in the oven. And I am absolutely loving the results. Keep your kitchen clean with Dawn Power Wash.